abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Welcome. Samukele linjani bankaya. How are you guys? Welcome to Enkundleni exclusive. Esiphathelwa ke hi-Deb3 Events, inkampani edila nge-photography guys. If you need indoor, outdoor photography, if you need product photography services, i-Deb3 iyakwenza ke lokho. I-Deb3 yenza even ama-video editing services, cinematography. Iyayenza i-Deb3 Events. So ungaxhumana le-Deb3 whenever you need a photography events, photography services, be it for a function, be it wena nje uzifunela nje ama-pictures akho nje okuslayer ku-social media, be it you need family photos, you can just get in touch with Deb3 Events. Sithi guys, it's been an exciting week. Iviki le edlulileyo kade sibona ama-events awe-BAF akade esenzakala. I'm actually very excited to talk about i-BAF namhlanje. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube. Ngihamba lo General Leslie.
Yeah, General Leslie.
Shortest interview ever. General Leslie.
Salmonani Magadi, how are you everyone? Label isibukele likhona. Hey, abanye like guys siyabonga. You're always there week in week out. Lifaka ama comments, abanye lichinga siyabonga, lichinga kuhle. Abanye libonga siyabonga futhi libonga kuhle. Keep on following Enkundleni exclusive. Libe lokho lisinika ama updates and giving us stories and what's happening out and about ukwenza ukuthi like sibe aware of what's happening. And also special thanks to Ogushle Designs for all your graphic designings, t-shirt printing, cap printing, whether you're doing posters or whatever. Visit Ogushle Designs. I'm a number bakhona lapha and everything, and they can assist you with that. And bese ku buff yo.
Okay, before we get on to that, so guys, speaking of comments, we really appreciate comments guys. So we really appreciate it. Shows what you guys are actually following conversations to end. Iliyabeli sizwe sebesikhuluma ngakho siyathaba ukuthi asikhulumi sodwa.
And uzithu bebuzithi khawasha ufa.
Kawash is there. Let me take this opportunity to advertise. Kawash is there. Lethani izimota ziyageza zicwebezele zibe smart. So lingabisa izimota along 4th Street between Masocha and Connaught Avenue. Ivula ngo-7 ekseni ivale ngo-6 ntamba masivula every day. Ngesunday sivula ngo-11 up to 6 p.m. So libuye lizogeza izimota guys, Kawash ikhona. So please do keep the comments coming. Keep the comments coming. Lathi kuyasikhuthaza nje ukuthi siqhubekele phambili ngohlelo.
And sixolise kufanele inkomo. Hey man, ama-kids abehambile. No, but sometimes there will be a lot of activities that are happening around. Like we always say, the people that we are seeing right now, Mina Nonduduzo, we are also active artist go art industry, single MC. I'm also a stand-up comedian. I'm a theater artist. Nonduduzo is a writer running a kawash business. So sometimes it get busy for us. So I said singalahlanga bakithi. Siyaxolisa Nyongolo. Lisixolile baba, but we'll try and be consistent for the sake of Ufanele.
Yes. We appreciate you. We appreciate you so much. So getting back to BAF, ubusathini?
Ngithi mina antu abanothi skipper se-BAF and skipper se-BAF and mina ngingulwana uyabona laphana
ukhona lawe awukho and others what is bone
bala laphana ungabala umfana lo ekhuluma nongambali lo ubusubala mina pants
oh yeah Your name is there.
Yeah,
So we really
yeah.
is even kubele time is nyana, which is actually normal vele whenever an event iyabi senzakala. We really want to appreciate IBAF. Ama organizers, we really appreciate them. We appreciate also ama artists that performed. Siyali appreciate kakhulu. We also appreciate abantu abahambileyo kuma events awe BAF. Bakithi siyalibonga kakhulu, sibonga umsebenzi wenu omuhle eliwenzileyo ngokubuya la ukusekela lizosupporta ama artists akade eperforma. And I really want to specially mention the artists. Guys, the artists were so aggressive in terms of marketing and advertising IBAF.
Yeah,
Because
too much.
mina ama contacts ami wonke ama artists almost wonke bensithi ngavula status mphongo ubona i-lineup ama-events and umuntu uyabe nga-advertise i-event yakhe kuphela aperforma kiyo, but bembona even lalapha ngekho khona umuntu eposta. Yes, even on Facebook we also saw similar activities happening ukuthi ama-artists they were really pushing ukuthi IBAF ibonakale ukuthi ikhona. Well, I'm not happy with the way IBAF yona ngwayo the institution, the organization advertised and marketed a festival. I'm not happy. I'm happy with the way artists pushed, because artists they really pushed. Bapushile but yona ngwayo IBAF. I didn't see.
I think I mentioned it even last week.
Yeah.
I felt they could have been more in terms of advertising.
Yes.
Yeah. But Mina Lami, I think Mvumelana Lawe, I watched at least 80% of my performances. So I made myself available to my venues. And
so lawe siyaku appreciate.
my artists, they came with a certain bang. Like every show had something new and different.
Wow.
And not to mention issue yokugcina ezitol cupboard. Hayi laba bamakatali bayikeleni lo. Abechibiliwa.
uyazi ukuthi ngutshela abechibilika ngutshela nti ngaba bona futhi kwenye i-function asakuzibuka kuyi-function yentwasa last year. Those guys stage presence,
Bra.
entertainment. Even if you are not a fan of that particular music, you enjoy. They perform ngendlela yokuthi uyakholisa abalabo slay queen slay king estagini. You uyanthola ufica be busy.
Do you know ukuthi ekhapha kanti bekule issue yamagetsi, I think amagetsi abesindwa imchina kwathi.
Okay.
So i-event bekumele iqale ngo-3. Yasidelayer because of amagetsi and ngawutshoti abantu bebemile so bemelele ukuthi kuqale. But well bebesase balutshwane because kuyabe kulama loyals lana bakwazi ukuthi umxolisi.
Plus abantu bayatshelana ukuthi sokuqalisile guys. Yes.
Kuthe kusenziwa ingoma yokuqala, I remember kwenziwa i-sound check. Bafaka uGodolude estagini.
That guy is good.
Kwahle kwaba mnyama chu eKapaki lapha, kwahle kwaba mnyama kusahambeni. So kugcwele and baku-maintaina so kuyinto kwabo, so bashaso umlambosi wazwa W Pro. Ayibona amafani zipruko lesuthu lidabukile kaMlambosi and lidabukele estagini.
Wow.
Asithi umlambosi so ishaya isuthu so ipruko lathi pha ngathi ya lapha ziyakhala la.
That's yazi ukuthi I think iyo i-genre yakubulawayo like
consistent.
Yes.
Yeah.
And abantu bayayithanda.
Lembube.
Yeah.
I watched Imbube small city hall. Yeah, Imbube layo ngicela ukuthi siyichi njalo. Imbube, do you know ukuthi I think bekule 5 groups. Sunduza, Black Mfolo, si Kreti Jongo, si amaqaqa lendonsakusa. Bathi beqeda sasingafuni ukuphuma small city hall. Ayikhona mina ngedwa. Sonke. And ngongani umbenxe sigida amapiano because wonke umuntu wayemile. Like ungabona Imbube sigidwa njalo ukuthi everyone is actually standing like to begida Imbube. Hayi amaqaqa hayi. So I think Imbube sibili lechibilika. Hayi into esiselelayo kobulawa.
Oh. You know, I'm just excited ngokuthi ama events anjenge BAF lawa asitshela amaqiniso
Yeah.
amnandi lababayo
Yeah.
asitshela amaqiniso amnandi lababayo
true.
ukuthi okay selibonile ukuthi ichibilika lembube yikho okuthandwa ngabantu kakhulu. What are you going to do about it? What's next?
Yeah.
Liplano
I
ukwenzani?
think bengingaka ukucabanga injalo because that's a word that you just spoke there. Sithini kanti ngabantu laba
Yes.
because abantu laba number one ba consistent. Number two, ba deliver every time you put them on stage.
Even
Cabangani
uyazi
ngabo.
ukuthi ngikutshele Leslie, even the other artists abathi bona ngabe R&B, ngabe soul, ngabe hip hop, selibonile ukuthi imalinga.
So
What are you saying about it? No, I'm not saying cheer hip hop, but I'm saying uthini ngakho.
Yeah.
Uyanthola?
Yeah. And then
Cause
wenza wena ngokwazi nina phela yini ama creative. Akwenzini ukuthi mina ngishaye ingoma yami mina nxa ngishaye hip hop lapha mbuye le style esitsha sokushaya hip hop.
That's where I'm going.
Ile chibilika ngishaya lo godoluthi.
That's where I'm going. Ukuthi okay, you are a hip hop artist. Usubonile, cause I want to give you an example. Khangela a South African hip hop. No, it's an example. Man, ngiyabuya khona ngiyawazi ufunge Harare. Ngiyabuya.
Yeah, because mina abantu laba
ngizahamba khona. Sikhangele the likes of ukuthi this one is debatable. Ngihlala ngibona abantu bephikisana ukuthi hey, he's not a hip hop artist. Is he a hip hop? I mean, yes. Khangela the likes of Big Zulu. To me, he's a hip hop artist. But ubonile ukuthi yena ngeke angene ngabo nasty style.
Ngena ngeyakhe
ekasumatekisi. Sesibuya eduze lapha eHarare. Baqala ngezimdanso isachaya njalo. But can you see how it developed? Phela eqalisa iboys imdanso leqinisweni. Eqalisa but khathesi uyathola wonke umuntu esephongu you see.
Mina ngiyabuyela futhi ku issue of collaboration because at some point we saw guys like Casper Nyovest beshaya igqom le Big Nas and even in Harare labo HK Dilo and bebele ngoma lo Macheso. These are two different things. Uhlabela amaqunqunqu uMacheso ngoyesungura but baphume sibile ngoma ibe ibhenga iyethatha ama awards sibile. Ungakhangela abo Gemma Griffiths they will be there. Uyathi angafuna ukwenza R&B akuphumi. Winky uyasenza something. Pa! Gemma
uyazi ukuthi enye into ngutshele Leslie. Nento enhlala ngitshela abantu and every time ngakhuluma those thing kuba lama negative responses. Guys, isikhiwa asibhadali. Isikhiwa khangela ugema la uzidlalela isishona ikhiwa lihlabela isishona. Isikhiwa guys asibhadali. Silabanikazi baso esibabhadalayo but
yeah. Yes. I almost forgot.
So khangela uyazi uthini?
I think sesithule kakhulu ngoMahlaba.
Yeah.
Asesithule kakhulu. Do you know uMahlaba has been consistent. Ule audience uyagcwalisa kuma venues akhe.
It's very good.
But like some ignore so Mahlaba so some ignore so even uBekezela is consistent. I've attended ama shows akhe Red Cafe Bulawayo Theatre and all that and it's consistent. Yes, babuya like abakulayini naleya because ngabone i-official opening eBuff eSithola and yawumaluka waluka like watshengisa ukuthi into yami iresiwe le into le imnandi le and pare ngithi like what you said I think nxa uli artist and qalisa phela ukungena lawe ebantwini laba and understand ukuthi abantu
bafunani. Because uyazi ukuthi let me give you an example of an artist who's very very good. But embona ngani isikhiwa simchayelela phansi.
Valendlebe.
No. She's very good. She's talented. Bekiwe Dube.
Yeah.
Wahlabela umntwana.
Yeah, true.
Uyachaya. But I think isikhiwa simchayelela phansi.
Ukuthi ngabuya mbijana ebantwini.
Isikhiwa See, so I think, mina personal, that's what I might be wrong.
No,
but I think it's Kiwa.
I think to a certain extent I agree.
Isasimtshayela phansi. Ngoba ungahlabela isikhiwa urelease yakho. uRihanna release. uBeyoncé release. Like seriously?
And I think any problem is like it's something that we can't like debate about. I-audience eningi ivela ngale. Emalokishini. Yikho vele okule audience ngale. Abantu bangapha basivalele ngale.
Lemakhaya ezingayisa abantu bemakhaya.
Ungakhange uTokwetha bebegcwele njani lapha kuchibilika. Bengcole benjalo so agide so sesijayelele phansi.
Ngake ngaposta enye review ngendaba yePalace. Ukuthi ePalace kuyagcwala. Ikhwapha lebe livimbe so.
Kodwa kucwele.
Never ukuthi ngekhwapha imali ngene.
Hayi imali ngene ikhwapha lekaba. All right. Yeah, iPuff bekumnandi. Ngiyabona sesingashonela. But well, bonke abayenza ukuthi iPuff ibe yisuccess. Bakithi sithi siyabonga. Umsebenzi omuhle lingawuyekeli. Umsebenzi omuhle lingawuchiyi. And also to mention ukuthi to company Tab3 was also very active ku Puff. Part of the team enze ukuthi Puff ibe yisuccess. Sibonile stage, sibonile sound, sibonile ama events, sibonile photography, cinematography, sibonile stage design. Omunye umuntu wazwa comment like I will withdraw the name what this is one of the best designs esivelayo ku festival. So special thanks to everyone bakhona la abayenze ukuthi umsebenzi uye phambili izandla bakithi hayi siyabonga lami futhi ngashaya ngadubula nje
ngihlala ngizizwa indumela zakho
babe sifake le elokuthini le imagine bethathu lezi bemfaya emakoko hey manje
wafika wakhona lo wanyathela
lanya konza ukubona umuntu usekhiphi okap la Athi performance sokwaba lo siso wagijima wazojika i50 station ngayitopha masinya
not to stereotyping not to stereotyping but ayindumela zakho sihlala sizizwa so guys on the other news udokotela uProsper kanye uProsper bani
uProsper
vanhu vaone is it
uProsper
udokotela the fake doctor Muvingi udokotela uProsper has been sentenced
Pari wena phela nonlawo wena usumenza ukuthi abe ngani uright Wothi udokotela wamanga owesilisa uProsper
Mina when I read the article it insinuated ukuthi the guy was a student doctor
yes
because ukuthiwa ukhulumile wathi uza qedisa izifundo zakhe ukuthi abe ngudokotela wangempela so nxa uthiwa uzaqedisa it means he's a student doctor so he's not a fake doctor
okumfekileyo ilacto vela isozikwenza ube ngudokotela even sebethiwa usupasile usule certificate ilacto vele ube fake doctor
but you know what besides that the interesting part is that his lover is actually more loyal than abanye benu khonapha abangabotshwanga abangekho sentenced to prison because the woman she actually vowed to stay celibate until her man is out of prison. Banengi abakhona lapha abangekho ejele abasemsebenzini lapha abafazi bayangena so you know what
thina ukuthi singaphikisane ngapha asithi thina umfazi wakhe is vocally loyal asikwazi nxa yedwa so njengowami lo abanye abangani bami nxa ekhuluma hayi uloyal unkosikazi uloyal hayi mina uDube ngeke ngimenze lutho kodwa
okay let me make this about me for a minute ubotshwe uyejele ngokuganga and you expect me to wait for you
wenzela imuli yakhe lapha
aya fuck off
umama ibeneficial
you know what this is different than someone out of the country ukuthi uyabefona senza kuthiwa ngama sexting you know and stuff like that
as respect the level of intelligence kaProsper lokuthi imuli ibisidla phela uProsper wayeqathi ngithukile like ngimbona ngadlula khona ilanga lela hayi sewile
kasajimi
Hayi,
phela insimbi.
sewuyilasi.
But-
But
but-
wayemkhulu soyeli hanky.
No, but you know what? Usislow, you know what? Mina ngiyambhika, you know what? Hazel.
Eh.
Hazel ngiyakubhika because I don't think I don't think me and other women.
Mina umbuzo wami because maybe Nxobe under the influence. Akakho yini esikwadini sabomama lezo kuthiwa sesidlula amadoda ngokunatha kobulawa. Nxobe under the influence.
Siyajayelwa.
Mama phela bakhokhela phela. Umuntu uhambe pho wayenza census. What?
Uyakazi ukuthi let me
Mama
tell you
banatha.
something. Mina I've always said this nxa kuphuma headlines kanje. So thina vele kobulawayo omama siyazondwa vele. Kuhlala kuthiwa siya leader everywhere. Kwaya kwathiwa siya leader ngama STI, kwathiwa siya leader ngama abortion, kwathiwa siya leader ngama morning after. Khathesi sesi leader.
Morning after mina nyali kwakuwina ibhoso. I remember ibhoso yethu yawina yashaya idimbari kusasa kwavuka kungila. Morning after kungila.
Hayi thina siya stereotype washem.
Lenza
But
kuhle.
anyway, alcohol. I think alcohol consumption. I don't think it's a bad thing because it means we are keeping the stores running. Is amabhokisi store, ama clubs. If it wasn't for Bulawayo women, these guys would be broke. Abathengisi botshwala, they would be broke. Guys, you are doing a massive and wonderful job. Keep it up.
Mina ngithi guys, let's drink responsible. And amfuna ukubona kusasa sebekhipha ipicture yakho sokuthiwa ngongena ama red robot. Nguwe odlula ishoti kuma stop sign. Landlandi amfuni bangani bami ungawumzingo wedriver.
Guys, what Leslie is talking about, we saw a headline the past week where ZRP published a list of 284 motorists abatholakale be drive ububhano.
84 year 84
284. So bakithi asidriveni kahle. Sizama ukulikhuthaza lapho ukuthi kayithi responsible driving bantu. Drive responsibly.
I think laba sincedisayo hey bakithi mana ngiqale ngithandaza ukuthi kunganihluphi laba sincedisayo bakithi abomthetho umuntu nxa ephambanisile kayenziswe iprocedure yamashuwa honestly do you know that every corner etown Kares ilama reflect kusasa if you're a driver kusasa umgwaqo lo odlula ezesa
Athengiswayo kumbe nje.
mana umgwaqo odlula ezesa anti nguKhami Road umgwaqo odlula phambi kwezesa ojoyinana lo Khami Road anti umgwaqo wena lo uthutsha so uvelela eWevali ufike khwampana ukone khwampana babe befika sibili kibo 15 bemile khwampana so uyabona imoto azilayinile so ukuthi zidlule i-stop sign and zingamanga ubone sizingasekho
Sayosibhadala isport fine.
alright
Anyway, kule viki antade bebotshelwa ama reflector, ama fire extinguisher, ama red triangle. Guys, ama reflector lama red triangle ngiyakuthengisa ecar wash libuye lizothenga.
khona libuye lizothenga ama-reflector lama-triangle
Kukhona.
ngizabuya leyami i-reflector ngithengisele imali yakhona
Libuye lizo- Okay, besides, you know, I think sasikhulume kakhulu ngento ezinegative. There's something positive happening.
hayi asoze sibe positive abantwana besodomize avuma saba positively uready abantwana kare sebe positive
Yeah.
and the painful part like umbalisi la obedlwengula abantwana besikolo la and mina I don't think kuyaqala ukwenzakala okuyizinto okunje so and because I remember my school days kulo head boy wako Ochotsville School because of a similar incident yena at least wayengalali labo but wayebaforsa ukwenza ezinye izinto ezingekho right for abantwana and then Karesi nangu ngumbalisi okumele ukuthi bambona njengobaba
avikela
njengobhuti
abantwana.
aqede khonapho ngumuntu active echechi wenza into zabo sipripenyeni ngapha uyahamba ngapha echechi seyachumayela wathola wathi anti ulobo ufundisi disguise umuntu wabona anti ulobo ufundisi and so umuntu kunjalo
and the sad thing about this is that not so long ago sike sakhuluma futhi, was it a deputy school head owanyamalalayo futhi like after sexually abusing abantwana besikolo. So I think kuyaphuma, yes, but I'm thinking ukuthi this is becoming too prevalent. And what about lokho kungaphumiyo? Because I'm now thinking ukuthi okay, nxa sokuphuma kaningi futhi kukhona okunye phela okungaveliyo, ngoba you find ukuthi sometimes you find ukuthi abantwana bayakwanisa ukuthi badlwengule bengakhulumi, and umuntu gets away with it forever. So it becomes very scary.
Mina my greatest worry is inductile umfana lo. No offense, but kungamchaza ke.
Let's really? Guys,
ilizwe lethu alivumi. Angakholisa ke uMike. Ubona ngathi ngoba if he enjoys this, then he passes it to the next and to the next and to the next. And the next thing it becomes...
That should be the least of your worry. Because Lalela. Because you know what happens? I've heard...
It's a really concerning
guys,
one.
I've heard ukuthi not only sodomy, not only in sodomy, even other like njengokuthi umuntu ongubaba adlwengule umuntu ongumama. There's a time yokuthi you find ukuthi umama lwana feels some sort of pleasure in the act.
Yes.
But engafuni. Yabona? So I think it can happen. But I don't think ukuthi into kumele siyihlekelele njengakhona okwesikwenzayo.
No, inkinga ekhona ukuthi no, umntwana lo uyamqalisa form 2. And umntwana lo knows nothing at all about intimacy and all right? Esefika ku A level, uyabe senjalo la. And the next thing like sengaqalisa ukwenza abanye form 2, maybe seku form 4. And ukugcina sokuyinto esikhona so esikolo vele uthi esikolo sethu sokuphila so because of one person omele abe uteach along abamchiza. Because kuba ivirus okuyinto kwakhona and so imagine mina sengu A level, I'm more superior than umntwana lo oku form 1 and so ngiyakwanisa ukwenza the same thing ebisenziwa ngumbalisi.
So kahle men are a threat to everyone.
Lina lingathi linatha kakhulu.
Men are also even a threat to other men.
Yeah, same like women.
So, what you mean?
Not umen wendoda, men umuntu.
Amadoda esabisa shame.
No, but mina on this one I think like even abazali mina I think as some men sincedisane sibe lokunye kuyi level of responsibility, so angazi bekucheckwa amankazana kakhulu. But let's check up on our boys. Like let's check up on our boys. Like a boy child is a bit neglected. Uyachiwa nje kuphela abe indoda, abe strong, even engani kahambi kuhle anlimele eboreni. Asila follow up esiyenza. And sometimes we don't even ask. Angabuye endlini eqhula, we don't ask. Awubebe gijima walimala.
Sometimes uyathethiswa awuzwa wena ugqoka isicathulo and stuff like that.
Ugqoka isicathulo not alright, then ufika lapha udiniwe kade senziwa ngumuntu lo ofuze enza uteacher, then the next thing let's check up on our boys. Ngiyacela abobhuti abakhulu, abobaba, abomalume, let's check up on our boys. Mina ngabe
I think the same attention, the same consciousness esiyenza emankazaneni, we are supposed to be also doing it with the boys as well.
What else?
Anyway, guys, shout out to S Chimpombo.
Yeah.
Is it?
Did
I say it right? Shout out to this lady. She's doing amazing work. Khona lapha koBulawayo by feeding abantu aba homeless, isn't?
Yeah.
Is it homeless only or it's even those any vulnerable?
Ungadlula duze
Yeah.
ufuna ukudla efika
Whenever
abantu.
you need
Uyazi.
food, you can just go in. She's been doing this for a while now,
Yeah.
and please guys, let's support into enhle. Into enhle ukuthiwa iyasupport ukwenzela ukuthi ikhule, iyakhuthaza ukwenzela ukuthi ikhule, abantu abaningi bathole ukuncedakala, and I actually wish ukuthi singamsupporta la umama ukwenzela ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe ube lula awenze ngamadlabuzane,
Yeah,
isn't?
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think wenza i-positive change emphakathini. Abafana laba bangalamba kakhulu, babagcina besitshontshelwa izimali, babagcina besenza kwamabhemba, but isisu singagcwala umuntu uyakhohlwa okuningi. And so asimncediseni ngempuphu, ngesitshebo, whatever that we can. Ama-contact details akhe sisawafaka phansi, and then zakhuluma lo chief, I think isambiza via studio. Sike sixoxe laye akasitshela ukuthi utholakala ngaphi, wenzani, so that lawe futhi nxa ukwanisa andi lawe buya lembiza yakho elamatemba lincedisane abantu badle, because at
Is
the
she
end of the
open
day,
for that?
I even mina what I'm saying is lathi lapho esivela khona emakhaya emalokishini, and we have people that are suffering, and asimenzeni yena abe ngani ngupioneer or
Ukukopa into enhle
like
lakho
sikope
right,
lathi ngiqasa ukwenza lami emagwegwe omnye la isenze emakhandeni. The next thing I think kuyasiza so kuba lo moya wobuntu. So sizafaka ama-details akhe, sizambiza estudio, ama-number akhe nanga iwona lawo eliwabonayo phansi. Hayi, siyabonga mama, siyabonga. Mina sandini lami nizafika laphana.
Are you homeless?
Hayi,
Are you vulnerable?
vulnerable.
Yey.
Vulnerable phela mina.
Asifuqedela
Ngizafika mama
abanye
ngicela
ukudla.
ukuthi lingafaki iroyikwani. Iroyikwani ngithanda. Amasuphu hayi okwami likuphenje kungabi lamasuphu nyafika la ngizometha lapha ekonini lapha nyafika ayafika umasala ayafika Carolina nginoletshela Prepare la mota yokuzogeza ekhawashi ngilesisu sokuya kudla kumama etown efita abantu mahara.
Okay, bakithi uhlelo lwethu solusiya emaphethelweni. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel Deb3 Events, and also like and comment. Ama comment siyawabona bakithi, siyawamukela, siya appreciate, siyalibonga kakhulu and siyalithanda kakhulu. Please do follow Deb3 Events kuma platforms ethu. Sikhona ku Facebook, sikhona ku Instagram, sikhona ku Twitter. Do follow and engage with us. Lathi ama presenters, ngama presenters and sikhona futhi ku social media. Please do follow mina, handle yami Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. It's Nonduduzo Ncube. Yonke indawo nje nguNonduduzo Ncube, even la ku YouTube Nonduduzo Ncube. Please do also follow us.
Yeah. Kukhona ukubeka ngewinter la okumnandi la khona okumnandi, like abathanda into ezimnandi zikhona. Like I said, Ipintombi is still going on. eBulawayo Theatre uphela mhla ka-13 June anti ngeSaturday. Saturday 14 by 13. 14 June, that's the last day. So Thursday yakhona le, Friday yakhona le, Saturday yakhona kulama shows. Go to Bulawayo Theatre and purchase your tickets. Indoda eshaya umculo omuhle kakhulu.
Imali nama-tickets. Imali nama-tickets.
Buthelezwe is coming very soon. Ngiyabe nilinika i-poster, ngiyabe nilinika i-date, ngiyabe nilinika ama-updates. Ubuthelezwe is coming to Bulawayo Theatre. Okay, sorry. Ama-tickets Ipintombi for kids, it's $5. For adults, it's $10.
I'm a kid.
Nxa sithi kids sikhuluma ama-kid and
Ngikid mina.
umntana akho no.
Mina ngumntaka mama.
Alright, it's okay. Right. Buthelezwe is coming very soon. eBulawayo Theatre. Ziyabe sikhala, ngiyalinika ama-dates next week, ngiyalinika i-prize next week, ngiyalitshela konke. But asihle siqaleni ukuqoqoda eDeb3 sithi hey sicelana ama-tickets, simfonele ubutho sisicelana ama-tickets. 19 July ziyakhala. General Leslie, one-man show, live, Ebulawayo Theatre, as Isikhala. Well, I always want to mention umuntu onishayela kamnandi be supported by uAdo, Isikhala, Ebulawayo Theatre, 19 July, very cheap. The agenda is to fill up Ebulawayo Theatre. That's the whole agenda. It's not about making money. So just $3 kuphela for ordinary, $5 for VIP. So theater, so then he same Puma newspaper lapha simkhuluma lapha uthi I fought and died for this country. Mbano yampikisa mina mfake 324 bande theater. So Bulawayo Theatre Yards in partnership with Dep 3 Events balethu General Leslie eBulawayo Theatre, fill up Bulawayo Theatre kuyabe kuhlekwa bakithi ubuyidlile ubuyusuthi mawungela kudla udlule kumama lapha uchipompo lapha nakunike lapha ukudla lapha udle because kunzima uhle kulambile bakithi kunzima uhle kulambile. But for other events azabe sendleleni sizabe silitshela mina loNonduduzo weRoyal Car Wash. Siyabonga sithi go to our YouTube, subscribe, like, lenze fitizela amabhera lawana ukuthi lithola ama notification. Like there are a lot of people abaletha ama comments like we mentioned abo Fanuel, abo Zwiti, like lonke bakithi. I will start mentioning you one by one vele next week. Ngiyabe mbala ama comments zonzithi wena why untetiza wena but siyabonga kakhulu. Invite more people labo balike balalele. But from me, General Leslie and Nonduduzo Ncube, salibona singalikhangela.